This question asks us to determine which of these two acids will more readily donate a proton to a given base. Another way of asking that is which of these two acids is the stronger acid. They're both the same functional group, so that's not the difference here. The difference here can best be seen by looking at their conjugate bases. Let's draw the conjugate base of pyrrole. And let's draw the conjugate base of pyrrolidine. Looking at these two conjugate bases, what I want us to focus on is that the lone pairs of electrons on the pyrrole anion can be stabilized by resonance with the double bonds. The conjugate base of pyrrolidine cannot be stabilized by resonance. If the conjugate base of pyrrole can be stabilized by resonance, that makes this more stable compared to the conjugate base of pyrrolidine. That makes it less reactive compared to the conjugate base of pyrrolidine. And that makes it a weaker base compared to the conjugate base of pyrrolidine. Assuming all those things are true, then, if this is a weaker base, that means pyrrole is a stronger acid. And if it's a stronger acid, pyrrole is the one that will more readily donate a proton to a base than pyrrolidine.